Hello and welcome to this video on comparison between assignment and equal to operator. So in this video we'll be seeing about what is assignment operator and what is equals to operator and compare them both and also provide the differences between them. So let us dive into the video. First, let us understand what is assignment operator. The equal to operator, which is nothing but a single equal to, is an assignment operator used to assign values on the right side to the variable on the left. So what this means, when I am declaring a data type variable, for example integer value number, I assign the value 5 to it by providing this equal to operator. So let us understand what this means in coding. So I have this code test main and the main function is initialized. Inside my main function, for me to initialize a data type n, which is nothing but an integer my num will be equal to 5. So what happens is that my value 5 is now stored in the integer data type my num, and to do that I use my single operator. Then I can also initialize my floating variable, float my float num, and assign the value 45.0. So by doing this I'll also give the value f to initialize that it's a floating value, and I can also give my character, my letter, and assign the value d. At last I can also provide my boolean value. Boolean my bool will now be equal to true. So as you can see, to initialize any data type variable, I need to perform this assignment operator, which is nothing but a single equal to store these values. Now I can just print these values. As you can see, I'm using my assignment operator to store these values inside my variable, and I'm able to print that. One more additional benefit is that using assignment operator, I can alter the values of these variables, meaning now my num value is 5. Now I can also use my assignment operator to further change these values to 10. Now if I try to print this value later, as you can see, the value 5 is now changed to 10. So to change these values, I also use my assignment operator. So now let us understand what is equals to operator. The equals to operator, which is nothing but double equal to, checks whether the two numbers given operands are equal or not. If so, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So let us understand what this means. So to understand double equal to operator, I am going to generate two variables, int a and b, and I'm going to assign the values 10 and b value 20. So now I need to check if the values a and b are equal. So to compare these variables a and b, I'll be using my double equal to operator. So how would I do that? I'll be using my if else statement. If a is double equal to b, I'm gonna print the value same. Else I'm gonna produce different. So now let me just comment these values as they are not using it now. Now I save this code. I try to run the program. As you can see, the values of a and b are different, so are equal to operators. Now checks whether they are same or different. Now to bring out same, I just provide the same values. As you can see, the values of a and b are now compared using the equals to operator, and the value true or false is returned with this. So our if statement, if it's true, it's going to print it, or else it is going to send us to the else statement. So the thing to remember here is equals to operator returns Boolean values, true or false, depending upon the statement. So the common mistake everyone makes while they are in programming is that they forget to use equals to and assign the values as single equal to, and this always throws up error. We'll try to run the program and understand what error happens here. As you can see, incompatible types, int cannot be converted to Boolean. So what this means is that our a equal to b would return an integer value, but our if statement can only handle Boolean values inside its round brackets. So this is a very common mistake. Try to ignore those mistakes. So coming to the difference. So the main difference between assignment operator and equals to operator, the symbol. For assignment operator, it is single equal to, and for equals to operator, it's double equal to. And our double equal to is also called as relational or comparison operator because we are comparing two variables between them. The next is, it is used to assign values to the variable. Our assignment operator is used to assign values, and our equals to operator is used for comparing two values, and it returns 1 if both values are equal, otherwise it returns 0. So 0 is false and 1 is true. The last, constant terms cannot be placed on the left hand side, meaning instead of me giving my num equal to 5, I cannot give 5 equal to my num. So this would again throw some error. As you can see, we are getting an error. So the error that is that the left hand side of an assignment must be variable. So always your left hand side should be the variable, and you have to assign the values on your right hand side using your assignment operator. So this is something you have to remember. When it comes to double equal to, constant terms can be placed on the left hand side. So this is the main difference. I can provide check if 10 is equal to b. I can just check if my b value is equal to 10 or b equal to 10, and if both statements work well. So this is the main difference between equals to and assignment operator. So both are used for comparison and assignment. So their use cases are completely different, and do not confuse with them. Hope this video was helpful. We'll check out in the next video. Thank you.